Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for virtual reality and augmented reality business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay. So as you see here, you can start with Chat AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. And also you can go to basic setup, so you can set up without AI. So I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, now you can enter your business type. Okay, so now you can select your business. You can select whatever you like from here. I'm gonna choose this one. Now you can enter your business name. What do you want to add to your website? You can just skip this if you want. Now let's continue to dashboard. Okay, now you can design the site. So let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template. So let's get started from here. Now as you see, you can add your information, your name and your email, your address and your phone, and also you can add the social link. You can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive, to attract more people and more customers to your website. So don't forget the simple details like the colors and like the themes. So it's more important to make your site looks attractive. Now you can pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one. If you wanna add page to your site, you can add them. Now as you see, your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. As you see here, this is the editor page. If you want to add elements, you can add them here. So you can add and customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, and the text mask. Also, if you want to upload images or import images, you can also explore images. Also, if you want to customize the themed buttons, the text and the icon buttons, the image buttons, and here we have decorative. You can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. Okay. If you want to add something new, like you can add section, just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. Also, if you want to customize and design your site, you can change or customize the color theme, the text theme, the page background, or the page transitions. Okay, so let's move on to the first section. Here we have the header section. Okay, so as you see, if you want to change the site name, you can change it from here. You can manage the menu in the horizontal menu. So let's move on to the next section. As you see here, if you want to change the section background, you can change the strip background. Also you can change the paragraph right here. You can change the background and this image right here. If you want to regenerate another paragraph, just click here and create a text. Now you can just select the section and you have to insert information to include here, and after this it's gonna create it for you. You can make it shorter if you want, like this one. If you want to regenerate another one, you can regenerate it from here. So that's it. So let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, this is the video gallery section. So you can also regenerate and change manage videos. You can upload videos from your PC or from Google. Okay, let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, this is the project section. So if you want to change something here, just click like this and you can change the strip background. So as you see, if you want to change like the colors, just from here you can change your favorite color. Okay, like this. So let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, this is the code section. So if you want to change something here, you can change, for example, this AI text. You can generate another one. Also, if you want to edit the text, just click here and you can change to your favorite fonts. Also, you can change the heading. So that's it. Also, you can change this image right here. So that's it. So this is the future section. So as you see, nothing special here, the same thing as always, just you can generate another AI text. Just select the type and you can describe what you want in your text and it's gonna create it for you. So that's it. This is the last section here, the future section, so you can just enter your email and your company name for the copyright. So that's it. Before you publish your website and go live, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. So also if you want to save, you can save it from here, and also after you're done you can just publish it and you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.